Hello everyone and welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today we got a great video for you guys. It is a Zoom bot video. I did one a few weeks ago. It's currently at 270 views, which is so much more than my other ones, which is absolutely amazing. So thank you everyone who saw that one, and it's time for this one. So let's just imagine that you are late to class all the time and that you need a way to remind yourself because you're very bad at time management. Oh wait, only me? Oh, okay, anyway. It's the exact problem we're going to try to solve today by creating a notification system. It's going to pop up on your screen. You're going to press join class, and then you should be able to just join the class. So it's going to be cool. It's going to be used some stuff we used from last time, some new stuff. So it's going to be pretty cool. So yeah, before we begin, if you want to hit the subscribe button, that'd be absolutely amazing. We're going strong for our 100 subscribers. It'd be absolutely amazing if you can get there. So smash that like button and subscribe button. To start making the bot, what you're going to want to do is go to Google Sheets, and you're going to need to create a new Excel spreadsheet. And I also have one in the GitHub if you want to use that and just change that a little bit. And what you're going to want to do is add your class ID and also the time. There's a specific way to write the time. It's in 24 hours, so there's no like AM or PM. So you're going to want to do that. An example is in the GitHub. It's also on screen now. So you're going to want to do that for all of your classes, and so Monday, Tuesday is each a column, and you're going to want to add all the information the same way I did. Next, we're going to start out by actually creating a bot. To do that, what you're going to do is create a new Python file. I named it Notify. You can name it whatever you want, and start off by importing a few libraries. One is schedule, time, panda as PD, subprocess, pyautogui, and also Tkinter. All that will be on the screen now and also in the link in the description below. So you just want to add all those and also do pip install for all of them. The command will be in the description below and on screen. And that should be it for the importing. So what we want to do is we want to load in our XLSX file. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the import pandas as PD, and we're going to create the name of our file, which let's just say df in my example, and then do pd.readxl. So it's going to read the format, and then you're going to put in the location on your disk. I called it timetable.xlsx. I can never say that, but you're going to want to just add that, and you have loaded it successfully. And the function has the name of the variable, which is dp in my example, and you can do .at and then brackets. You're going to put it's like a grid, the X and then the Y. And you'll see a few examples. I use this multiple times, so you should be able to know how to do that. And you also want to change it into a string format in most cases, especially for the time and for the ID. So it's going to be str and then parentheses, the location. And yeah, so let's get into the next part. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a for loop that loops through every single pretty much period in the day, if that makes sense. So if let's say you have 5 periods in one day, what you're going to want to do is multiply that times 2, and then you're going to want to go through every other one. So you're just going to do like x plus 1 each time. That allows you to go through every single one, and then you also want to get the time. So you want to schedule the time, and then you also want to access the class code or the Zoom link, so you can easily do that. An example of that is on screen now. You also want to do it for every day of the week. Next, you want to create a while loop to loop through and pretty much run just one command: schedule.run-pending. Okay, great. Next, what we're going to want to do is tell what happens when a schedule goes off. I called my function pop-up window. You can choose whatever you want, but it's pretty much a function that just takes in an ID. The pop-up window function creates a Tkinter, which is pretty much creates the user interface, and then it has one button. And unfortunately, with Tkinter and the button function, you can't just put in a function with a parameter. You have to create a lambda. How to do that is on screen now. So you just pretty much want to add all of this. Creates the window and just adds the button to the window, so that is good. And after that, we're going to create the function that actually opens the meeting. So it creates the window, then when you press the button, it creates an it starts the open meetings function. And the open meetings function opens Zoom. And you're gonna use subprocess to popen. That's function subprocess.popen. You're gonna want to wait 1 second. You don't have to wait 1 second. You can wait like half a second. Then you're gonna want to find the X and Y value and locate on screen an image of the join button. So it's pretty much what we did before in the other Zoom video. And you're going to use the confidence of 0.9 or whatever you would like. And then you're going to click on that position, wait another 5 seconds, and then we're going to use the pyautogui.typewrite function. That pretty much takes control of your keyboard and will write down pretty much letters and characters. So we're going to take the ID that we passed into the open meetings function and change it into a string and then type that. Next, we only have one more thing to do, which is locate the next join button, which is the tiny one at the corner. Same confidence, pyautogui. Click at that position, and we should be good to go. So that is it. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I really do hope you enjoyed. If it doesn't seem to work for you correctly, leave a comment below. I will 100% answer it. And also, we're still on our goal to reach 100 subscribers. If we can get there, that would be great. Yep, we're working very hard to get there, so smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment if you have any questions, or just say hi. So yeah, that is it. See you in the next one, which is hopefully a game jam. Thank you so much for the support on the last Zoom video. A link for that will be in the top somewhere, I don't know, but we'll be there. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.